talking technology and appealing to your mind. Now allow me to talk to your heart. Let's discuss the amazing design of V20. Now there are three responses to a piece of design. There is a yes, there is a no, and there is a wow. And at Vivo, we believe only wow is worth aiming for. Now, other than materials and body lines, colors are yet another element we use for artistic expression. And this time, our designers look beyond colors commonly associated with technology. They crossed over industries to seek out new shades that better express emotions and humanity. And they found inspiration in the unmatched natural beauty of India. The colors that you will see now will remind you of beautiful beaches of Goa or dark clouds of Cherrapunji or maybe the snow-clad mountains up north. Our first color instantly reminds you of a sunset beach with crystal blue oceans bathing in orange dusk. Clouds drift in the sky and all colors join together to compose a mesmerizing melody. You can see bursts of different hues when you look from different angles. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Sunset Melody. Now, Sunset Melody is a special color. To achieve this amazing visual effect, we use three techniques: vacuum sputter coating, nanoscale texture machining, and gem standard iridescence processing. In a vacuum environment, we reduced ores to molecular particles, which are then processed into a film, followed up with nanoscale texture machining to enhance both the reflective finish and texture. So when you hold it in your hands, you can see cold and warm colors transitioning vertically and multiple hues mixing horizontally. Thanks to gem standard iridescence processing, when you turn the phone, you can see red, orange, blue, purple, and other colors at various saturation and brightness. Enjoy the burst of different hues when you look from different angles. It's like a gemstone or a shifting horizon, both trend-setting and magical. The next edition features a classic black tone on a delicate matte surface with a subtle transition to silver and grey. It speaks of confidence and power. Light and shade dance across the matte surface like a flow of jazz beats. It's both dynamic and distinctive. Ladies and gentlemen, the Midnight Jazz. Our third offering surface features a delicate shade transition. It's like a sonata played in the moonlight. Underneath the tranquility lies strong emotions. It's pure, elegant, and quiet, but has the power to heal the heart. Ladies and gentlemen, the Moonlight Sonata. Now let's take a pause to watch this beautiful video. You know, recently, my dear friend Jannat reached out to me. She had a very particular problem. Let's just hear from her directly what the issue was.
You mean I can't wear what delights me? Oh, God.
Hi Jannat,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Very well.
More importantly, where have you been? I've been really trying to call you. You're not taking my calls. Did you just again ditch your phone for your dress?
Dekha, we girls have to sacrifice so much in the name of fashion.
Well, what if I tell you now you don't have to sacrifice? We just may have something which will probably complement your dress than being a blooper.
Really? You mean you have something that can match my style quotient?
Your style quotient might be a little difficult, but what I have can come real close.
Okay, but why should I believe you?
Just don't. All you have to do is wait for some time and watch it live.
Okay, let's see what you have in store for me. Guys, while I wait, Please keep your eyes glued to the screen for the next question, which may let you win a Vivo V20 for yourself. I'm damn excited and I'm looking forward to it.
Thanks, Janet.
Please carry on.
Now, aesthetics is not the only thing that we focus on when we say design. We want the designs to be functional also. No one wants to carry a thick phone that fills up the pockets, or a phone which causes pain in the wrist after extended usage. So when we designed a phone which is both slim and functional, the design of V20 is a real breakthrough. We custom designed 6 key units, which included the bottom speakers, which are now only 3.5 mm thick. We relooked at unibody black polarizer, and 44 MP eye autofocus camera now is only 4.2 mm thick. The battery and the battery covers were also relooked at. We all know that the battery is one of the biggest phone components. We found a solution to achieve higher energy density, making the battery 0.14 mm thinner than other phone batteries of the same capacity. And in this slender body, we managed to fit a 4000 mAh battery. Now this resulted in V20's body being industry leading at just 7.38 mm thin, and it weighs just 171 grams, a new record for V series. Now undoubtedly, the highlight of the back panel of the phone is the camera matrix, featuring our innovative dual tone step design. The top step is in black and contains cameras. The second step has metallic tones. This novel design offsets the camera's protrusions and puts everything in neat order, while anti-glare matte frosting adds a premium matte texture to the glass cover. It's smooth yet not prone to fingerprint smears. Anti-fingerprint vacuum coating further ensures that fingerprints won't taint your beautiful phone ever. Now let's recall the key highlights of this amazing design of V20. V20 will come in 3 gorgeous colors, and thanks to anti-glare and anti-fingerprint technologies, there will be no finger marks on your phone. And with 7.38 mm slimness and only 171 grams weight, V20 is definitely creating some personal records. Now that we have discussed about the camera and design, let's talk about experience. We all have old photos that we cherish. Some of them may be low in resolution or blurry, or they may have faded and lost their color. Memory Recaller is a restoration tool which can make them new again with sharp focus, original luster, and vibrant colors. It's a great way to relive your memories that have long since passed. Now, Dynamic Sky can identify and isolate the sky in your image. And once you draw a pattern, the sky can even move along, making your images come alive. You can also change the sky to how you want to show it. Now it's time to move on to the operating system, which is where you get to interact with all the amazing features we've covered so far. V20's OS is based on Android 11. It is totally refreshing to look at and to interact with. It follows original design with themes and app icons that look edgy. It has a strong sense of high technology and is simple, efficient, yet intuitive to interact with. But what good is a software without the support of a competent hardware? Now, V20 delivers powerful performance in all aspects. It runs on a Snapdragon 720G, a 7 series processor from Qualcomm. And compared with the last generation Snapdragon, it increases multi-threading processing by 20% and single-threading processing by 44%. The GPU performance increases by 14% and AI engine by 115%. It lays a solid foundation for all the system and cameras to excel. V20 comes with fast and secure 33-watt flash charge, which can charge up to 65% in just 30 minutes. So you never have to pause. Now let's take a pause to watch this video.
Hi guys, good morning. Just wanted to give you an idea. This is my second year here and I just got promoted. I'm keeping working for this guy, okay?
the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. Or if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly taking up high down by the bay? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. Or if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly taking up high down by the bay? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. Did you ever see it out? We're in a town down by the bay. Did you ever see it out? We're in a town.
So, are you excited? I certainly am. 44 megapixel eye autofocus front camera and a 64 megapixel rear camera certainly is a complete photography package. And a class-leading slimness of just 7.38 mm make it one of the most desirable smartphones in the segment. With features like 4K video, slow-mo, dual view, super macro and super night mode, V20 is certainly the one to watch out for. So, is that it? Or there is more delight coming your way? Now let me introduce you to V20 SE. It has 32 megapixel high resolution selfie camera along with super night mode and aura screen light, which can take your night selfie experience to another level. Talking about the stunning and stylish colors, our designers took their inspiration from the depths of the universe and nature's grace to give you gravity black and aquamarine green. Now with Vivo's advanced 33-watt flash charge technology, you can enjoy a charge up to 62% in just 30 minutes or a full charge in less than an hour. I know you're excited, but you'll have to wait just a little longer to get your hands on V20 SE.
Wow, guys, now wasn't that mind-blowing? Well, I'm super excited to experience the phone, and I'm sure you all are as well. Well, one thing is clear here, that the V20 is going to help people like you and me who love to capture delightful moments in life. So, what are we waiting for? Ladies and gentlemen, the moment is finally here. Let me present to you the first look of the all-new Vivo V20. Here we go.
Wow, what a mesmerizing experience. Isn't it delightful? The moment which you have been eagerly waiting for is here. let's look at the price and offers. The Vivo V20 will come in two variants. The 8128 variant is priced at rupees 24,990, while the 8256GB variant is at just rupees 27,990. Pre-booking starts from today till 19th October. Sales start from 20th October.
Not just this, we have some amazing sales offers across channels. So this brings us to the end of the presentation.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The all-new V20 is finally here. Well, I can't wait to get my hands on this phone, and so can you, starting 20th October, and the Vivo V20 SE that'll be coming really soon. I thank you all for taking out your time to join us on this incredible special day and for participating in the contest. I'm sure you're looking forward to trying the new phone. Follow us on our social media handles, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook to see if you are one of the lucky winners. Coming to you soon, the all-new Vivo V20 at all offline and online stores. Till then, stay safe and take care if you're stepping out.